What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera not focusing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all clean your mobile camera lens with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the camera lens, if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove that protector. And after doing this, the camera focus will start working properly. But if it's not working, then adjust the camera settings. So for that, open camera. Now go to the portrait mode to get a best focus photo. Now when you will go to portrait mode, it will only focus on the subject and blur everything else. But after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is try updating your mobile software. So to update, open settings, scroll down, and here click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, your small glitches like camera focus issues will be fixed. Now after updating your phone software, if you are still facing the same issue, then maybe it's the problem with the camera app. So reset the camera app. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on apps. Now from here, scroll down and open camera, and then scroll down and click on storage. Now from here, clear the cache memory and data of camera app. So from here, tap on delete to confirm, and after that the camera will start working properly and your autofocusing issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.